Hello, it's your girl Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Jane's Agenda Deluxe subscription box. This is for the December edition. As you can see, it says Jane's Agenda December edition subscription box. And let me give y'all a little tea before we jump into this. I will be seeing this at the same time y'all will, so y'all are going to get all of the reactions, right? Jane's Agenda has 3 different versions of boxes, or 3 different levels. She has the basic. It's not called the basic, but that's what I'm calling it today. She has a basic level that gives you inserts and accessories and whatnot. She's got another level that gives you covers, so it's called the monthly cover club. And then she has the deluxe that gives you the best of both, so you get both boxes, and that's what we're unboxing here today. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, y'all, I'm so excited. You know what to do. Stay tuned. So do we pull this off? No, I'm gonna sit it over here, y'all, because look, she's giving Christmas. So much excitement. So let me pull this. I'm gonna have to pull this off the desk, y'all. Can I pull this out? Oh, that works too. So we've got our What's Inside card. It says Joy, December 2022, Jane'sAgenda.com. And on the back it says Deluxe Subscription Box Tour, December 2022 edition, and it's titled Holiday Season. This tour card doubles as a large quote card, which it does. Very pretty. Can't wait to stick that in my planner somewhere. So it has a list of the items here, and one of the other things that I like about Jane's Agenda is when you get a subscription, you get free coordinating digital wallpaper that's emailed to you when your box ships. So there's that. So I'm going to stick this up here because it's so pretty, and we're going to jump into this, y'all. This paper sticker says Holiday Wishes. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, let's move this off to the side. So stick that up there. First things first, we have the black plastic. Actually, this is the black and red page marker tabs. So we've got 2 in the pack. They feel soft, so they're not very rigid. They are soft. So you have your page marker tabs in both red and black. So first item up. Get us ready, get us ready. And that's what it looks like from the back. Page marker tabs. The next item we have is the page finder, the December calendar. Y'all, that is super pretty. Oh my goodness, y'all. So it is very strong, very sturdy. It has that vellum, that design in there on vellum, and it has a December catalog. A little concerned because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 punches, and as you can see, so I guess this would be, this is supposed to function, obviously, as it just said, as a page finder. So you would put this on your top ring and it would stick out a bit. As you can see, it's going to stick out about the same height as my calendar tab here. So there's that. So we have the December calendar page finder. Pretty, 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 y'all. Love it. The next item we have is a 3-piece quote card set with a green tree clip. Y'all look at that green. The older I get, the more obsessed I get with the color green, and we're just gonna leave it at that. So let's look at this clip really quickly. We've got the green tree. Cute, cute. We've got this linen quote card. Oh, this feels good, y'all. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year. Jane'sAgenda.com. I am under no obligation to make sense to you. Y'all, this is my that's me. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. And that's a quote by Winston Churchill. So that is our 3-piece quote card set. We've got our green tree clip. Super cute, y'all. Okay. I'm seeing something. Y'all see this red foil? It is giving Y'all, I cannot wait to set up my planner for December. Y'all, this cover is so freaking pretty. Y'all, look at that. Oh my God, she gives. That is so pretty, y'all. Oh my goodness. Stay tuned for the December planner setup. But this is the first set of covers we got. Y'all, I was so excited when I finally got my hands on the Jane's Agenda box, y'all. Showing my behind. And then we got another set of dashboards. So let's get into these. Oh, we got some vellum. Oh, that's pretty, y'all. So we've got the Winteryscapes vellum. Oh, look at that. Y'all, this is buttery soft. And it's double-sided. I live. Oh. Y'all. Come on now. Come through Jane's Agenda with my double-sided dashboards. And they layer so well. Look at that. Or even that one. Look, she's so pretty. So we have another set of dashboards. Sit down, thank you. Oh, what's this? We have the present. So it says hybrid dashboard, 'twas the night. And it's just like the previous page finder, but this is obviously bigger. And it says the present, 'twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas, and the rest is blocked out. So there's that. But here is this. The present bookmark. Excuse me. This is a dashboard. This is a dashboard? This can't be a dashboard. It's another page finder. That's what we're saying this is. So cute, cute. Oh, we got some more dashboards. Oh my God! Y'all know how I feel about gingerbread. Y'all know how I feel about gingerbread. Oh, y'all. Look. Oh my God. What am I going to do? So, we have these. They're double-sided, but one side has a design and the other has the plaid. Y'all, this box was made for layering. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. So we have some more double-sided dashboards. Ooh, okay. We got some inserts, y'all. Okay. So it says planner insert pack. We have an at-a-glance dashboard. This is cardstock and has the 2023 holidays here. So that's that. And then we've got an if lost page. So pretty much the first page that goes in. Oh, okay. And then we've got some quarterly planning. Sit this down. You've got some quarterly planning. First quarter, second quarter, third, and fourth. I like them. And we've got the holidays down here at the bottom. And then we have a 2023 task list with all 12 of the months. This next insert is the 2023 goals inserts. So the quote here says, learning is the beginning of wealth. Searching and learning is where the miracle process all begins. The great breakthrough in your life comes when you realize that you can learn anything you need to learn to accomplish any goal that you set for yourself. This means there are no limits on what you can be, have, or do. And that's by Albert Einstein. So we've got some goal setting. Okay, we've got quarter one, quarter two. We have the first column for category / project, January, and then on the top you have your goal and then what you attained actually. And then you have that for each month going across for the 4 quarters. Interesting. Definitely a different way to do some goal planning. And then you have a full list of your 2023 goals, category project, start, end, and result. Start, end, goal, and result. So I guess you would put the start date here, what your goal is, and what actually happened. And then we have the quarterly planning. I guess this is just a different quarterly planner. We've got quarter one, projects, big tasks, due date, and when they're due. And then you have important events over here with the date and a notes section. And on the back page, I love that these are split. On the back page, you've got a section for notes. Love this. Quarter three and quarter four. And then we have, this is new, we've got something called the ideal day and week on the back, but we'll get to that. And what you can do is pretty much set up from midnight to 11:30 midnight a.m. 11:30 p.m. what an ideal day looks like. Y'all, this right here, perfect. And if once you've got this down packed, what you can do is when you're doing your weekly planning, your daily planning, however you like to plan, you can make sure you're not missing your AM routine, your PM routine, you know, meds, meetings, things of that nature, things that you typically do regularly. You wouldn't want to put something on here that's not regular, like a birthday. This is the ideal day. I mean, that person's birthday is not but once a year. And then on the back, you have an ideal week. And you have Monday through Sunday, morning, afternoon, and evening. Love this, y'all. We got to get more of these. And then we have books to read. You have the book, the author, and who's it recommended by. Front and back. Then we have shows and movies to watch. The show/movie, where to watch it, and who it was recommended by. Front and back. And then we have a new insert called the Level 10 Life Tracker. And at the bottom it says, Step 1, decide on 10 areas of your life you would like to improve over the next year. Ideas, family, home, friends, health, and fitness. Step 2, think of 10 small things, mini goals, that would improve each area, and write them down. These can be things like walk 5 miles, save $200, or call your family. Step 3, keep track of your progress and mark off each mini goal as you complete it. Keep a big picture of your overall progress by utilizing the chart at the top of the left page. Oh, this is different. Okay. So you have your areas of life. For example, they gave you examples: family, home, friends, health, fitness. You would put those there, and then as you go around, you would mark off what stage you're in. And then you break it down by the area. So family. Call my brother every day or on Thursdays, whatever it is that the goal that you set, and you would put that there in that area. Y'all, this is pretty cool. And then on the back, there's a quote from Ralph Waldo Emerson that says, finish each day and be done with it. You have done what you could. Some blunders and absurdities no doubt crept in. Forget them as soon as you can. Tomorrow is a new day. Begin it well and serenely, and with a too high a spirit to be encumbered with your old nonsense. That's getting posted. Definitely getting posted. So here is our planner insert pack, y'all. The next item is a planner pocket, and it's made in this green cardstock. Y'all know I'm always here for extra storage. So we have this planner pocket. It's only one-sided. So we've got a pocket here, and on the back it just has janesagenda.com. So that is our planner pocket. And last but certainly not least, you guys, we have these black plastic tab dividers. And they are monthly numbered. They are black with white ink. And as you can see, she thick. So we've got 1 through 6 here, so you can see how thick they are, how they bend. These are going to take up some space in your planner, but if you plan it, you know, for example, if you're a quarterly planner, you only have these many in at a time. So we've got 6 through 12, 1 through 12, double tabbed. So you'll see the second set behind the first set. So these are the black plastic tabbed dividers. So y'all, got a lot in this box. And if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, I will have a link down in the description box for you. So we've got our black plastic tab dividers, right? Then we got our planner pocket. Then we got our insert pack. right? We got the double-sided dividers. We got the page finder. Then we got more dashboards with the vellum and the scapes, the double-sided scapes. Then we got the laminated cover, the gorgeous, gorgeous laminated cover. We got our 3-piece quote card with the green tree clip. We got our page finder with the December calendar. And we got our black and red page marker tabs. So this is the December 2022 Jane's Agenda subscription box. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is definitely a subscription I'm going to keep. If you enjoyed, I'd appreciate it if you'd like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.